tension ripples through paralyzed flesh. Arteries throb, now drum throat to wrist. Each pulse carves rivers beneath the skin's mist. Hey! Dreams collide independent. No sequence, no rain. Visions contort, recurring through liquid domain. Fractured colors orbit without center of throne. Sublime stasis where patterns alone have grown. Yeah. Formations without form chase each other in rings. Independent realities through synaptic springs. Weightless body anchored by organ percussion. Lungs orchestrate worlds in thoracic discussion. This is who you